So here is how you can enable the gaming focus mode on the iPhone. This is how it works. So let's get started. And if you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So the focus modes can be managed inside of the settings app by proceeding to the focus section indicated by the purple icon. And you can see a bunch of them, right? So for example, we have the driving, we have the messages, personal, whatever, right? But if you do not see the gaming right here, you're gonna have to click on the plus button in at the top right and start and select the gaming from the additional focus modes, which are a little bit like hidden away. You should be able to find it right here, so just make sure to click on it and you'll be able to just customize and start using your gaming focus mode, right? So all of the same things apply, like you have to decide which apps are allowed to deliver notifications and which are not, and the same thing for the contacts. The options like hiding badges and a dimming lock screen is present as well. But the thing interesting, or something that changes with the focus mode for gaming specifically, is most likely the scheduling or smart activation, because there are some very nice features. Like for instance, if you connect a wireless controller, like for example the one you can use with the Xbox or PS5, you can see that when this gets turned on or connected through Bluetooth, your phone will go automatically to the gaming mode, right? Same thing that when you, for example, open up a game on your phone, like a gaming app, right? Or you can even pick a specific application when you open it, then it's gonna like enable that mode. So as you can tell, plenty of different ways how you can utilize it. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to find it. If you did, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next tutorials as well. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.